I usually take the month of November to grind all of the spices that I use in the upcoming holiday baking season. Today I'm grinding anise seed, allspice, and green cardamom. Growing up in my home country of Belize, every Christmas, I remember my mother and grandmother and my aunts would make what is called Belizean black cake. And like other fruit cakes, this recipe calls for a candied citrus as well. And instead of purchasing this from the store, I prefer to make it myself. Here you see I am removing as much of the white lining as I possibly can. So now this must simmer in water and a teaspoon of salt to help to remove the bitterness. We remove from the pot, rinse the pot, and then we repeat this process. I thought it may have gotten too hot for the white pot that I chose. So I decided to just move everything to this cast iron pot instead. So now, after we have completed those two processes, we add a cup of sugar and water just enough to cover the peels, and we let this simmer for about an hour or so. And while the citrus peels simmer in sugared water, we blanch some almonds. To make sure these are dry enough for making marzipan, it's a good idea to let them sit overnight on the kitchen counter. The citrus peels are ready and we must do the same. The next morning, I've separated the orange and lemon peels. I've placed them in jars. I'll slip them in the refrigerator, and they should last for about 6 to 8 weeks. Now let's make some marzipan. Almond extract, rose water, and since the marzipan I make is used only for baking, I've added egg whites. Place in the refrigerator, and this should also last about 6 to 8 weeks. So this is what was left over from the candied citrus peels I made earlier. So now I'm going to make a pumpkin citrus-ade. This is quite a refreshing drink, especially this time of the year. A little popcorn. The holiday season can be quite stressful for so many, but here are just a few tips I'd like to share. It's always good to plan ahead, and saying no is a good gesture to keep your heart at peace. Also, plan your spending and be sure that you stick to a budget. Create beautiful and relaxing surroundings. Maintain healthy habits. And if you're feeling down and tired, be sure to share your feelings with family and friends. Be realistic. Take a break. And always remember the reason we celebrate. Christ is the reason for the season, and we are thankful. Until next time, have a beautiful week, and I'll see you soon.